Game directions. Look at the screen and listen as I describe a person doing an action in the kitchen. Point to the person who I am describing. Tammy peels the apple. Tammy peels the apple. The answer is A. Please fry the egg. Please fry the egg. The answer is B. Wendy mixes the dough. Wendy mixes the dough. The answer is B. Jessica pours water for everyone. Jessica pours water for everyone. The answer is A. Please add salt to the hot water. Please add salt to the hot water. The answer is A. Chef Ramirez slices the ingredient. Chef Ramirez slices the ingredient. The answer is B. I need to bake the cookies. I need to bake the cookies. The answer is A. Frank cuts the potatoes in half. Frank cuts the potatoes in half. The answer is B. Anna is boiling vegetables to make a soup. Anna is boiling vegetables to make a soup. The answer is A. The barista serves the coffee. The barista serves the coffee. The answer is B. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you thought it was easy, check back for an intermediate level listening practice with these cooking verbs. Make sure you're subscribed to Rivera ESL Resources so you don't miss it.